Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 3 for the subject of mathematics, topic division, which is covered in chapter 5, division of your textbook titled Essential Mathematics, Srijan, and is being submitted to you on 19th of July 2021. Dear students, the concept of division was introduced to you in class 2, where you were made familiar with terms related to division. Let us continue with the concept and learn more about division. Children, division means to divide or split a number equally. Let me make you understand this concept with the help of few examples. As per example number 1, suppose we have 20 toffees and we need to distribute these 20 toffees among 5 students and equally we need to distribute. So that means 20 is to be divided in 5 students. So 20 divided by 5. What we have to do? We will look for 20 in the table of 5 and we know that 5 fours is 20. So 20 divided by 5 gives us 4, which means each student will get how many toffees? 4 toffees. Now just look for one more example. Suppose we have 24 pencils and 24 pencils are to be divided among 6 children equally. So, 24 divided by 6. In the table of 6, look for 24. 6 fours is 24. So, that means each child will get 4 pencils. We will see one more example now. Put 30 flowers equally into 6 vases. So that means 30 divided by 6. In the table of 6, look for 30. It's 6 fives are 30. That means each vase will have how many flowers? 5 flowers. So students, this is the way we represent division as equal distribution and write the information in the form of division facts. Now, let me remind you the basic division terms which we will be using in the topic. Dividend. Dividend is the number which is to be divided. Divisor is the number with which we divide. And quotient is the answer which we get after division. Fine students, so let us learn how to write division facts for a given multiplication fact. A multiplication fact gives rise to 2 division facts. For example, 7 multiplied by 3, that is 7 into 3 is equal to 21. This is a multiplication fact. And if we need to write division facts for a given multiplication facts, every multiplication fact gives rise to 2 division facts. And how to write them? What we'll be doing? If it is 7 into 3 is equal to 21, so the first division fact will be having 21 divided by the first number, which is 7 here. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. That is 21. The answer of the multiplication when divided by the first number, the answer is the second number. And similarly, the answer of the division, the answer of the multiplication, that is 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. So, we can write the division facts very easily with the help of a given multiplication fact. Check out one more example. The multiplication fact is 8 into 7 is equal to 56. And the first division fact is 56 divided by 8 is equal to 7. And the second will be 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8. Fine students. Example number 3 is also showing you a multiplication fact, which is 6 into 9 is equal to 54. So 54 divided by 6 is equal to 9 is the first division fact, and 54 divided by 9 is equal to 6 is the second division fact. Through these examples, you might have observed that a multiplication fact gives rise to two division facts. But when multiplication is of the same number, as in 9 into 9 is equal to 81. Here, 9 and 9, the same numbers are multiplied. So in this case, there is only one division fact, which is 81 divided by 9 is equal to 9. So students, to find solutions for the division problems, tables are the base. So please learn tables, and especially in dodging form, to get the solutions easily and accurately. And before moving further, let us solve few division sums using short division method. You may pause the lesson here for 3 minutes. And now you need to solve them. I'll be just repeating out. The first is 16 divided by 4, 12 divided by 6, 27 divided by 3, 81 divided by 9, 72 divided by 8, 20 divided by 2, 56 divided by 7, and 90 divided by 10. You need not to solve it using the proper division method. Just see, for example, in the first part, in the table of 4, look for 16. So, if you know the tables, it's very easy to do these questions. So, solve them. 3 minutes break is over now. Hope you all must have written the answers correctly. If tables are learnt in dodging form, then it would be easier for you to write the answers correctly. Let us first check the answers. So the answer to A part is 4, B part 2, C part is 9, D is 9, E part is 9, F part is 10, G 8, and H 9. So proceeding further now. Now we will learn how to divide two-digit numbers using long division method without remainder. Fine students. So we'll be doing example number 1, and we will be dividing 39 by 3. So 39 is the dividend here, which we have kept in the box, and 3 is the divisor. Divisor means the number with which we have to divide. So the first step is write dividend in the box and divisor outside. Now, as 39 is a two-digit number, so the higher place is tens. So first solve the number at the tens place. So 3 ones is 3. Now putting 9 down, and we will look for the table. We will look for the table of 3, and we will look for 9. So in the table of 3, 3 3s are 9. So here 9 minus 9 is 0. So this 39 divided by 3 gives us the answer. The quotient is 30. So now solving example number 2, 92 divided by 4. Now first of all, look for 9 in the table of 4. 9 doesn't comes in 9 doesn't comes in the table of 4. So it is 4 2s are 8. We have to take the number which is slightly smaller. So 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Putting 2 down, the number is 12 now. In the table of 4, need to look for 12. 4 3s are 12, and no remainder here. And the quotient is 23. Example number 3, 42 divided by 2. So again 42 is to be put in the box and 2 divisor outside. 2 2s are 4. Putting 2 down, 2 1s are 2, and the quotient is 21. Now moving to division of 3-digit numbers, and these questions are also having without remainder. Example number 1, 612 is to be divided by 3. Now we are having 612 as a 3-digit number. So hundreds place is highest in a 3-digit number. So step 1 is to solve the hundreds place. 3 twos are 6. Putting 1 down, as here 1 is smaller than the divisor. So it is 3 zeros are 0. Fine. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Putting 2 down and look for 12 in the table of 3. 3 fours are is 12. So here the quotient is 204 and we haven't got any remainder here. Example number 2. 732 is to be divided by 4. Again, the same procedure is to be used. First of all, to solve the hundreds place, 4 ones are 4. Because when we will do 4 twos are 8, it would be bigger than 7. So it is 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Putting 3 down, 33. 4 eights are 32. Slightly smaller than 33. And then 3 minus 2 is 1. Putting 2 down, 4 threes are 12. And the quotient is 183. Moving on to example number 3. 567 divided by 9. Now students, as here the hundreds place 5 is smaller than our divisor 9. So here there is a need to combine the hundreds and tens place together, and together we have to solve first for 56 here. So we will look for 56 in the table of 9. 56 doesn't comes, but the slightly smaller number is 54. So 9 6 is 54. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Putting 7 down, 9 threes are 27. So we get the quotient as 63. And students, now we will proceed to division of 4-digit numbers without remainder. Example 1. 3246 is to be divided by 6. So again, the same procedure is to be used. First of all, look for the thousands place. As in thousands place, we are having 3. That is smaller than our divisor. So we will combine the number here at the thousands and hundreds place, and we will look for 32 in the table of 6. So it is 6 fives are 30. 2 minus 0 is 2. Putting 4 down. 6 fours are 24. Again putting 6 down. 6 ones are 6. So here the quotient we have got is 541. Example 4443 is to be divided by 3. So again we'll be solving it. The thousands place is 4. So we will look for the thousands place first. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Putting 4 down. 3 fours are is 12. 4 minus 2 is 2. Again putting 4 down. 3 eights are is 24. And then now the ones place to be put down. 3 ones are 3. And the quotient is as 1481. So dear students, through today's topic, we have learned how to write the division facts and division of 2, 3 and 4-digit numbers without remainder. So please do the given home assignment questions yourself with concentration. And next part we will cover in our next week's assignment. And the home assignment for this week is from exercise 5.1, do the parts B, F and H. Exercise 5.2, the parts C, F and K. Exercise 5.3, the parts A, E, G and K. And from exercise 5.4, the parts are F, I, J and O. Thank you, students.